Hi everyone, here we've got OnePlus 8T and let me show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and find the settings. Now we have to scroll down and find the system, and here we've got languages and input, so let's tap. Now let's choose languages, and as you can see here we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got English and French. In order to add new one, just tap on add a language, and here we've got the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So let me pick something, for example maybe Spanish, and if you're ready to choose the language, just tap on it. If you can choose the region, just tap on the one you want to use, and as you can see it is immediately applied to our list. Now let me show you how to set it as a main language. Simply find the language you want to set, tap on it, hold it and drag it to the very first position. And as you can see, the whole system from now it is in the chosen language. Now let me show you how to get back to English. Simply go to the languages, find English, tap on it, hold it and drag it to the very first position. And the same situation, the language has been changed successfully. So now let me show you how to remove the language. Just tap on the three dots icon right here and click on remove. Let's tap on the one you want to delete and tap on this trash bin icon. Click on remove. And as you can see, they immediately disappears from our list. So that's all. This is how to change system language in your OnePlus 8T. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.